coming out with his new Stampede 4x4 VXL. What do you think, buddy?
Like it.
Awesome. We're over here at hobbysports.com. He just got himself a new Stampede 4x4 VXL.
Hi guys, so I just got back from the hobby shop, so let's unbox this truck. I'm going to be unboxing the Stampede 4x4 VXL, and I also got a 2S battery for it. The Stampede 4x4 VXL does not come with a battery, so I bought a 2S. Now, let's see what's inside. So, first I need to find a way to open it in. Let's go this way. So inside the box, so let's just pull her out. First, we have the transmitter. We have the TQ Top Qualifier with TSM. Then let's pull out the styrofoam, and here's the truck. So I need to flip it over quickly. So pull it out. Here she is. So let's take the pins out. Take the pins off to get the plastic off. Okay. So here's the body, just stock body, normal, blue. And then here it is. This is what it looks like inside. Got the Villanine 4x4. Looks pretty nice. Here's what's inside. Let's open it quickly. So we have the instruction manual and other things like the upgrades to the batteries. And then comes with an envelope thing. It comes with some stickers. Comes with an extra battery holder for a higher battery. Some body pins and some body pin protectors. Some shock stuff, things. And then we have the tools. And I think this is the high gearing thing. So you can upgrade it to make it go faster. Thank you for watching, and make sure to please leave a like and subscribe, and have a good day.